This is the do-it-yourself voice-controlled flashing LED kit. These cost around $2.50. Let's see what's inside. We'll start with the board. Seems like it's decent quality. It is nicely labeled. Of course, it comes with the CD4017 chip and this piece that gets soldered into the board, and the chip sits inside of this so that if it burns out, you can just pull it out. 12 LEDs, a slew of resistors, one microphone, a 9014 transistor, 4 electrolytic capacitors. It comes with this chip, allowing you to plug it into a power source, a battery case. Here are all the parts together. Let's get going. Going to begin by attaching the CD4017 chip adapter over here. Then I'll insert the chip. Then I'll attach the 9014 transistor. It goes over here. Then the power supply piece. It goes over here. Now the LEDs. The longer side is the positive. Also this guy over here. Then the resistors, the 470 ohm, the 200 ohm, the 2 million, and the 20K is over here. Then the capacitors, the 100 microfarad over here, and the 1 microfarad over here. The shorter side with the gray is the negative side. Then the batteries, they get connected over here. The last step is to connect the microphone. The side that has markings is the negative side. Here's the finished product. Let's see it in action.
So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed.
Now for the review. Some things that I like about it. The board is good quality. It is nicely labeled. You can remove the chip if you need to. It also has the option to plug in a power cord adapter. It has a decent amount of parts. It also comes with some extra pieces. Also comes with a battery pack. And it's an interesting item. Now for some negatives. There's no on and off switch. So to turn it off, you need to pull out the battery. And it doesn't have a very practical day-to-day use. Overall, if you're looking for a do-it-yourself kit to practice soldering and learn about electronics, this is a good kit to get, and I would rate it a 6 out of 10.